Hey y'all, I'm gonna do something that I've never done before. I've grown my underarm hair out so I can do a review on Sexy Smooth Wax. And I'm gonna wax my underarms for y'all right now and do some fun facts about me in the process. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna start by cleaning my underarm. Getting any, I dropped it, I cleaned it though. So yeah, let's do this. I a little bit of powder just to dry out any oils in my arm. Let's do it, y'all. Alright, y'all. Oh, oh, this is hard to do. Okay, hold on. Let's hit my left hand. It's harder than I thought. There we go. Alright. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all. Oh, fun fact. I am a middle child. I'm surrounded by kids at all times. I have 6 nieces, 5 nephews. So yeah, that's the first fact. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Look at that pool, y'all. Look at that. Look at all that keratin. Period. I got most of it. I just need to do a little cleanup strip. Another fun fact is that I actually went to culinary school. So I got my culinary degree in 2016. This is hard to do with my left hand. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, so I got my culinary degree in 2016. I actually minored, when I was in college, I actually minored in art. So I can actually draw very well. Okay, y'all. Fun fact is that I have been doing makeup for over 10 years now. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at that, y'all. Alright, y'all. This vlog looks crazy because I am right-handed or left-handed, but it's gonna get the job done, okay? Whatever. I'm 30 years old. Look at that, y'all. Random fact, I have 19 male cousins and 4, well, it's 5 girls all together. 1, me and my sister, and then 3 other girls. So I've been surrounded by boys my whole life. I grew up playing WWE. I didn't grow up with Barbies. It's gonna go a lot smoother because I'm handed. So, my favorite thing to do is definitely travel. I love to travel. These trips are not pretty, but they're gonna get the job done. Another fun fact, I am all of my siblings' favorite sibling. Fact check that. They know what's up. Alright, 1, 2, 3. I know this is gonna hurt. Okay, 1, 2, 3, pull. Look at, I don't know if you can see all the hair. Let me see. Look at this strip. A little sloppy strips. Sexy Smooth is getting it done, okay? Put a lip on this one. I have 2 tattoos, only 2. I want a few. I want a few more. I want my grandparents' whole face. both of their faces tattooed on me. And I'm gonna do it. The only reason I haven't yet is because I'm gonna get in trouble by them. So, 1, 2, 3, pull. Even with my sloppy strips, because I'm doing it on myself, baby, the hairs is gone, okay? Y'all, doing this myself is hard. One good fact, this is probably not a secret to anybody. My favorite color is black, obviously. I feel like black makes the world go around. And I mean that in every sense of the word, okay? We'll stop at 3. 1, 2, 3. Would you look to smooth the baby's period? In post care, I'm using my Nature Verde Cleanse and Nourish. So I used the cleanse first, pre-wax, and now I'm using the nourishing oil. All I use is by Lovin's Beauty Bar. Go check her out. She's also a licensed esthetician in Houston, and her nourishing oil is top tier. Also, her body scrubs are also top tier. I use them on myself. I recommend my clients to use them. It really caters to stopping ingrowns and making sure that your skin is nourished and hydrated and exfoliated. So, yeah. I give Sexy Smooth a 9 out of 10 because nothing is perfect, but pretty dang close. And it was, pretty painless. So, if I could wax myself, y'all can get that wax. So, I will see y'all next time. Bye.